While most retail stocks are getting a boost courtesy of the Trump rally, some of the names that have run up dramatically here are getting a little tricky. Just look at Ollie's Bargain Outlet Holdings. That's OLLI. The chain of more than 230 off-price stores came public in the summer of 2015. This stock has nearly doubled since its IPO, powered by the consumer's desire to find bargains, and also by the past weakness of the big department stores, who often had too much inventory, needed to unload it at cut-rate prices. Companies like this one, who then turn around, mark it up a little bit, and still give you a great deal. And look, Ollie's has been on fire since Trump's surprise victory. But here's the thing. Ollie's reported a strong quarter last night, 3-cent earnings beat, higher than expected revenues, up 15.7% year over year. Robust guidance for the year, but the stock sold off 2%. Could be profit-taking. What is going on? Did Ollie's simply run too much into the quarter, making it nearly impossible for the stock to go higher? Or are the sellers seeing something I'm not? Let's take a closer look. Let's go under the hood with Mark Butler, the chairman, president, and CEO of Ollie's Bargain Outlet, get a better sense of the quarter and his company's prospects. Mr. Butler, welcome back to Mad Money.
Hey, Jim.
How are you? Congratulations on being the best performer.
Well, thank you very much.
And that's because you got a fantastic model, including something that's going to happen this very weekend. That's a big deal, isn't it?
Yeah, and we do have a good model, and we have what America wants. America wants to save money. It doesn't matter who the president is. They want to save money. But like this Sunday night will be a monster night. Ollie's Bargain Outlet is having Ollie's Army Night. Over 7 million members, and many of them will be at the event for Ollie's Army members only. The store's closed to the general public, and they'll get great savings, and the lines will be long, but the savings will be longer.
Tell people how you get this merchandise, because it is fascinating to people who think, well, there really can't be much of a bargain beyond Amazon.
Yeah, what we do is we scour the market, attend almost every major trade show that there is in America, and we're looking for any kind of disruptions. For instance, Jim, we caught a lot of notoriety over an ad that we ran in a Wall Street Journal, which was about the Hanjin bankruptcy. We've been doing this for 34 years. Anytime there's a disruption, whether it be a bankruptcy, somebody closing, package changes, discontinued items, name brands at drastically reduced prices, we turn the consumer on.
Now, I think it's interesting. You open new stores almost instantly profitable.
Well, yeah, it's 55% year-on-year, 2-year payback.
Still
very, very strong. We are executing at a very, very strong rate right now. We are really hitting all of our marks. And, you know, we're a mature company, 34 years. We're a baby in the public market.
But you said that you know to fish where the fish are biting. What do our viewers need to know about that phrase?
Well, that was in reference to doing electronic advertising in the fourth quarter. That's when people are really, really excited, and we can motivate them by the electronic advertising.
Now, it seemed that you're a very transparent company. You even say, look, it depends what is available. Like the categories that didn't do well were ones you just didn't have a lot of merchandise in.
Or I had a bigger deal last year. So that's just it. Even with my comps, you know, I'm up against nearly a 9% 2-year comp. In Q4, I'm up against a 14% 2-year comp. I'm thrilled with what we're doing. We're rocking. I mean, our stores are packed. We're rolling.
Now, I know that a lot of people worry about the dollar stores, but they have a lot of perishables. You were asked directly about food. It doesn't sound like you have perishables.
No, our idea of food is Pop-Tarts and potato chips. So, you know,
whose is it?
Yeah, right. And they're good. But no, we don't have much exposure to food at all.
And the idea that a Walmart cuts price, it's just irrelevant to you, right? It's just a different model. They can't hurt you.
Well, we price off of the real stores, whether it be the Marts or the Targets or whatever. We price at a discount to them. So they may set the price, and we're hoping to sell it at a substantially reduced price from their price.
How do people find out that there is an army, and how do they join up?
Well, you can join when you come into the store. You can't sign up online. You have to come into the store. We want to make it a little bit difficult, because then we know that you want to hear from us, and that's why over 60% of our business is attributable to Ollie's Army.
That's incredible.
Yeah, it's really strong.
Now, sometimes I'm trying to understand the flow of the call. Everyone got caught up on coffee pods. Now, I use coffee. Why I can just go get really inexpensive ones? Because I pay a lot of money for my 8 o'clock coffee.
Yeah, well, we have a very, very high premium brand coffee that we've been selling for about 2.5 years, and we have sold a lot. And the customers have bought it. They've voted with their wallets. They like the way it tastes, and they keep coming back and they keep buying it.
All right, last thing. We've been saying that since, I know you said very, very good was the term you used, very, very good. Since the election, we've been saying that there's a thaw. I don't care, Democrat, Republican. There's a thaw. People come to the stores. You expect your biggest Ollie's Army Sunday night ever?
We hope so. Please pray for no snow.
All right. I love your company, I have to admit. I thank you to Matthew Boss again, who turned me on from J.P. Morgan. Deserves the shout out.
Okay, great.
All right,
thanks.
Absolutely. Thank you to Mark Butler. He's the chairman, president, and CEO of Ollie's Bargain Outlet. What a story. Mad Money's back after the break. Booyah! Jim Cramer here from Mad Money. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube. Click here to subscribe and get the jump on my exclusives with CEOs, plus market news, investing advice, and a whole lot more.